So welcome to Apex FX. I'm going to take you through market sentiment. So, in terms of the market sentiment, we talked about this site called FX Blue. He said, if you want to get the market sentiment, you search FX Blue and then you go to the tools, then you go to the trader sentiment. So when you go to the trader sentiment, the sentiments are based on the number of real money accounts, not them, which are currently net long or net short. The figure uses the number of the accounts, not individual traders or volume, as that the percentages are not biased based by the facts such as algorithm read system, like by institutions users of the forex blue trading relative largest volume. You can filter the list so that only shows the sentiment of the single currencies such as Euro, USD for easier compression. All movements will then be started in terms of the trading of the base currency. For example, if you select USD, when the list will show you the movement of the USD, JPY, USD Euro instead of Euro USD. As that you can more effectively compare the sentiment in the dollar against the currencies. You can spot the sentiment list and can also choose whether the display in the bars or as a gauge. So we come here to trader sentiment. So under the trader sentiment, so under the trader sentiment, go to the settings. You can select in terms of gauges. So it's let me select all the currency. So in terms of gauges, as you can see, is higher compared to the CHF. People buy information. Third, the sun, 10%. So in terms of currency, this is how they work. So in terms of, let's say, Euro USD, people took a sell position. Yes, GBP USD, many people took a sell position. So this is how it is. We choose the gauge. You can see in terms of the gauge, when you choose the gauge, it's how is it for gold, what to buy position, market went for sale. So we shall confirm. Let's say confirm for gold. So we are going to confirm the sentiment of some of these currency pairs according to today's Monday today impacting the market. So we're going to see some of the sentiment to the market. So I'll majorly look at the gold today. There is not a class of money. We're not going to do analysis today. We are just looking at the sentiment. So this was today. 15 minutes. So today the market went down. It went down and then started going up. So it became bullish for some time for trying to move back to the sell position. So according to the trader sentiment, the market was bullish. We go. We're looking for buy position. So let's look at the JPY. Let's see USD JPY. For USD JPY is what happened. So as we can see, the market started up bullish, went down to a bearish position. This was USD JPY. USD JPY. And the market sentiment in terms of USD JPY, there was 60%, 35%. Look for Euro card. Euro card. The market was bullish. The market was bullish and Euro card, yet sentiment. The market was bearish. That's the funny thing about sentiment. So it's advised to trade against the sentiment. You'll be at a profitable position if you take your position against the sentiment. If you take your position against the sentiment in terms of your analysis, you're at a higher position gaining in the market because you'll be taking liquidity. Okay. So now look at another currency pair. Let's look for GBP USD. For Euro USD, I can see also the market was bullish. It was bullish. So I can see the market was bullish. As you can see, the market was bullish. And here it's saying the market was bearish. So it means if you could have gone against the sentiment, you could be in good profit. So as you can see, that's how the market went. There was a gap today which was produced today. There was a gap created. This gap had to be filled fast before the market started spiking down because of the Iran war with the US. So the market reacted according to what happened on the weekend. So it reacted. Okay. So I think those are the sentiments. Literally, if you want to understand sentiments, that's how we do it. You just look at the currency pair which is being sentimented with, and you confirm. That's how you confirm with the chart. So I literally recommend for you to subscribe and share the information. I'll teach you. I'll come to the chart. We're just doing the overview of some of the websites, some of the tools that we should monitor before we take our trades. Then we'll go now to the analysis. We will take a lot of time in the analysis.